Here is a list of 30 profitable side hustles to make $500 to $5,000 monthly. Prices for each skill and legit website where you can sell them and make cool money. So we are going to be looking at the side hustles. Number one we have on the list is freelance writing. Number two, graphic design. Number three, social media management. Number four, visual assistant. Number five, online tutoring. Number six, website development. Number seven, app development. Number eight, e-commerce store. Number nine, handmade crafts. Number 10, photography. Number 11, consulting. Number 12, personal training. Number 13, Airbnb hosting. Number 14, content creation. Number 15, language translation. Number 16, car detailing. Number 17, pet sitting or dog walking. Number 18, video event planning. Number 19, online course creation. Number 20, car renting. Number 21, home organization. Number 22, Airbnb experience hosting. Number 23, gardening services. Number 24, travel consulting. Number 25, podcast editing. Number 26, affiliate marketing. Number 27, resume writing. Number 28, data entry. Number 29, voice over services. Number 30, translation services. So here are the 30 profitable side hustles to make $500 to $5,000 monthly. And you can sign up on any of these websites and choose the one you can do. Good luck, and do not forget to follow.